Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Up. It's fitted with the 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine and it's got roughly 48,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this Volkswagen Up, I'm going to be changing the air filter. It shouldn't be too difficult. It's located in this plastic box here. Going to need to undo all of these Torx head bolts. For this air filter element change, you're going to need a Torx 20, whether it be a bit like this in a gun or screwdriver style, whatever you've got to hand. And it's useful just to have a screwdriver handy in case you need to remove a pipe. You're going to need a Torx 20, whether it be like a screwdriver style or a bit in a socket, whatever you've got. I've got it in a little gun here, just to speed things up a little bit. Oh. Hopefully this will just lift off. I don't know whether there's any screws at the back. Ah, there is. There's a couple of screws at the back. So this should just pull off. I think it's on, they're normally on a rubber ball and socket arrangement. Yeah, you've got a peg located in that rubber there. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a hose or two on the back. Oh, we've got a little hose down here, which I'll see if I can pull that off of there. Oh, that seems quite well stuck on there. Oh, there it goes. Hasn't been off for a while. You could probably release it at the other end. This looks like a relatively easy option. Oh, there we go. Now we can lift that off. And there's our old air filter. A little bit black, it's not too bad, I've seen a lot worse. You can see the slight colour difference there. It's not too bad, but it's all part of the full service. We'll fit the new one. Before you put that in, you might want to take the airbox and just, it all looks pretty clean to be honest, but sometimes you'll find bits of leaves and things in there, worth cleaning them out. All of these screws are the same length, so it doesn't matter where they go. So yeah, you can see underneath the rubber sockets where these pegs locate. Another one there, another one there. And obviously this needs to locate over the throttle body there. That one needs to go back in there. And pipe back on. And that's it. Not too difficult to do.